Here is a recipe for a straightforward apple and cherry cake that incorporates the fruit right into the batter. Simple apple and cherry cake. This recipe makes a moist, fruity cake that is perfect for tea or dessert. Ingredients, category, item, quantity, fruit, A ppls, Gala, Honeycrisp, or Granny Smith recommended. Cored and chopped into medium pieces, medium fresh cherries, pitted and halved 1 handful, about 100 text G or 3.5 text Oz lemon juice. A squeeze, 1-2 wide text TSP. Lemon zest of 1 small lemon dry self-raising flour or all-purpose flour, plus 1 TSP baking powder. $300 text G wine, 10.5 I text $2 or about 2 wine frac $1, $3 cups. Caster sugar or granulated sugar, 150 I text G wine, 5.3 text Oz or about half frac 2 3 a cup. WetUnsalted butter, softened 85 text gine, 3 in text Oz or about half frac 1 3 a cup. Cluster 1 tbsp, large eggs, vanilla extract 1 teaspoon, milk a splash, about 1-2 lartex tbsp. To serve icing sugar, confectioner's sugar. 1 tbsp for dusting. Preheat your oven to 180 degree, 350 degree, gas mark 4. Grease and line a 20 cm 8-inch round cake tin. Peel, core, and chop the apples. Squeeze a little lemon juice over them to prevent browning. Pit and halve the cherries. In a large bowl, cream the softened butter and sugar together until the mixture is light, fluffy, and pale yellow in color. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gently fold in the self-raising flour or flour and baking powder until just combined. Add the chopped apples, halved cherries, and lemon zest to the batter. Mix well. If the batter seems too stiff, add a splash of milk until you reach a semi-drop consistency. It should fall off a spoon when gently tapped. Pour the mixture into your prepared cake tin and smooth the top. Bake for 40-45 minutes or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Leave the cake in the tin to cool slightly before turning it out onto a wire rack. Once completely cooled, dust with icing sugar before serving.